Unlocking the $335,000 ChatGPT skill, your ticket to financial freedom. In this video, we will review these items. Introduction to ChatGPT skill. The benefits of using ChatGPT skill. How ChatGPT skill can generate revenue. The future of ChatGPT skill. The potential earnings of ChatGPT skill. Conclusion, the power of ChatGPT skill. Introduction to ChatGPT skill. ChatGPT is a revolutionary AI-powered chatbot that can communicate with humans in natural language. It is designed to provide personalized assistance and support to users, making their lives easier and more convenient. The ChatGPT skill has become increasingly popular in recent years, as businesses and individuals seek to leverage the power of AI to improve customer service, automate repetitive tasks, and enhance productivity. The benefits of using ChatGPT skill. One of the main benefits of using ChatGPT skill is its ability to save time and increase efficiency. With ChatGPT, users can quickly get answers to their questions or resolve issues without having to wait for a human representative to become available. Another benefit of ChatGPT is its scalability. Unlike human representatives, ChatGPT can handle an unlimited number of requests simultaneously, making it an ideal solution for businesses with high volumes of customer inquiries. How ChatGPT skill can generate revenue. ChatGPT skill can be used to generate revenue in several ways. For example, businesses can use ChatGPT to promote their products or services by providing personalized recommendations based on a user's preferences and purchase history. Another way ChatGPT can generate revenue is through upselling and cross-selling. By analyzing a user's behavior and purchase history, ChatGPT can suggest complementary products or services that the user may be interested in buying. The future of ChatGPT skill. As AI technology continues to advance, the potential applications for ChatGPT skill are virtually limitless. In the future, we can expect to see ChatGPT being used in a wide range of industries, from healthcare and finance to education and entertainment. Moreover, as ChatGPT becomes more sophisticated and capable of handling more complex tasks, its value proposition will only continue to grow. It is not hard to imagine a future where ChatGPT is an indispensable tool for businesses and individuals alike. The potential earnings of ChatGPT skill. The potential earnings of ChatGPT skill are significant. According to recent estimates, skilled ChatGPT developers can earn up to $335,000 per year, making it one of the highest paying jobs in the tech industry. Moreover, as the demand for ChatGPT skill continues to grow, so too will the earning potential for those who possess this valuable skill set. Conclusion, the power of ChatGPT skill. In conclusion, ChatGPT skill represents a powerful and transformative technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. Whether you are a business owner looking to improve customer service, or an individual seeking to enhance your productivity and efficiency, ChatGPT is a tool that can help you achieve your goals. So why not explore the possibilities of ChatGPT skill today? With its potential to generate revenue, increase efficiency, and transform industries, there has never been a better time to learn this valuable skill.